Hi, this is DingTech. We are offer a LAN cabling system. There are two types of LAN cabling system. One is our fiber optic solutions. We offer complete fiber optic solution, including cable, fiber optic cable, patch cord, enclosure, and equipment, test equipment. Also, we offer copper solution is our cables, all kinds of cables used in indoor and outdoor application. And here is our patch panel and the wire management. By the way, we offer a lot of very easy installation tool to make sure the install quality and performance very good. We are DingTech. We are more than 30 years old. The goal for our products, we just want to let our customer receive the maximum bandwidth and minimum bit error rate.